Sometimes when people are driving a car that is not theirs and they have to get gas, they might not know what side of the car the fuel tank is on. Something that a lot of manufacturers do, which is very convenient for people, is they will have on your dash where your fuel levels are a picture of a gas tank, and that little arrow will tell you what side of the car the gas tank is on. So that is very convenient when you have to refuel. Another question that people often wonder is, what kind of fuel does the car take? If you look inside each car and you open up the door of the fuel tank, it will show you, it will say this one, for example, takes premium unleaded, but then some of the other cars will have nothing on the door and then they just take regular unleaded. So if it's not indicated, it's going to take regular unleaded fuel.